Hello. Good evening, Henry, Casey Villegas and Ryan Peñalosa. Hello. Shout out po. Cristobal and Anwar po. Matchay and Sander. Magandang gabi po. I love you, Lord, for your mercy never fails me. All my days have been held in your hands. Hello, Mr. Gaspar. From the moment that I wake up until I lay my head, I'll say, or I will sing in the goodness of God. And all my life you have been faithful. Alam niyo, and all my life you have been so, so good. With every breath that I have made, kakasama, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. I love your voice. You have led me through the fire, and in darkness time, you are close like no other. I've known you as a father, I've known you as a friend. Oh, I have lived in the goodness of God. And all my life you have been faithful. And all my life you have been so, so good. With every breath that I am able, sorry God, for I will sing the goodness of God. Your goodness is running after, it's running after me. Your goodness is running after, it's running after me. With my life laid down, I'm surrendered now. I give you everything. Your goodness is running after, it's running after me. Your goodness is running after, it's running after me. Your goodness is running after, it's running after me. Is my life laid down, I'm surrendered now. I give you everything, Mother Rose. Your goodness is running after, it's running after me. Magandang gabi po. Happy Fiesta sa mga Catholic. And happy Sunday to everyone. All my life you have been so, so good. With every breath that I am able, darling, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. All my life you have been faithful. All my life you have been so, so good. With every breath that I am able, oh, I'm gonna sing of the goodness of God. Oh, I'm gonna sing the goodness of God. Ayan, happy Sunday po. Kanta lang po tayo ng mga tatlong songs na praise and worship. Pero kung may request po kayo, you can comment naman. Kasi parang 30 minutes na lang ako mag-live. May gusto pala akong parinig. Yung ginawa kong praise and worship song. Parinig ko lang. Hello, Sir Nolly and Kika. Hello sa'yo. Yan. Kasi may ginawa akong praise and worship song. Yan. I just want to share it with you guys. Hello po, Kika. Hello. Gumagalaw-galaw. Ano ba yan? O, uga. Hello, Mar. Give thanks with a grateful heart. Give thanks to the Holy One. Give thanks because it's given Jesus Christ, His Son. Give thanks with a grateful heart. Give thanks to the Holy One. Give thanks because it's given Jesus Christ, His Son. And now let the weak say, I am strong. Let the poor say, I am rich because of what the Lord has done for us. Alzi and Mr. F.D. Pagal. And now let the weak say, I am strong. Let the poor say, I am rich because of what the Lord has done for us. I love 80s and Dubai. Hello, love 03. Kanta lang ako ng mga 3 praise and worship songs. Hindi ako nakapag-church. To the Holy One, love 03, give thanks thee, because it's given Jesus Christ. Hindi nakapag-church eh. His Son. And now, let the weak say, I am strong. Let the poor say, I am rich because of the love. Oh, what? Nagkamali tuloy ako. I'm sorry. Let the weak say, I am strong. Let the poor say, I am rich because of what the Lord has done for us. Give thanks, Fatima and Annabelle. Thank you sa parosas. Ate Nina, hello. Praise and worship lang tayo ng kanta mga or song. Pero may gusto akong i-play, ginawa kong praise and worship song. Nahanap ko lang
masyado kasi marami. Hello, Arturo. And Ate Dina. Hello, good evening, good morning, good afternoon.
Salamat sa'yo, aking Panginoon Jesus. Ako'y inilito at ilang tinubos ang tanging alay ko sa'yo, aking Ama, ay buong buhay ko, puso at kaluluwa. Sino mahal mo? Di magaya na mapagkaloob ilaw, mamahaling hiyas, ikitong nilubog ang tanging dalangin. O Diyos ay tanggapin ang tanging alay ko, nawa ay gamitin. Ito lamang, Ama, wala nang iba pa akong pipiliin. Di ko akalain
Ate Dina.
ako ay bibigyan pansin. Ang taong tulad ko di dapat mahalin. Ang tanging alay ko sa'yo, aking Ama, ay buong buhay ko, puso at kaluluwa. Hindi makaya na mapagkaloob, mamahaling hiyas, ikitong nilubog ang tanging dalangin. O Diyos ay tanggapin ang tanging alay ko, nawa ay gamitin. Ito lamang, Ama, wala nang iba pa akong hihiling.
Hello, Tay.
Higit pa iyong pagbabalik. Dalaga.
Hello, 29 Dogger. Hello po.
Mr. Chocolate, shout out. Ang tanging alay ko sa'yo, aking Ama, ay buong buhay ko, puso at kaluluwa. Hindi makaya na magkaloob, mamahaling hiyas, ikitong nilubog ang
ginawa kong kanta. Sana magustuhan nyo. Praise and worship din ito. Hello, Mark. Happy Sunday. And Buboy.
In the quiet of the morning, when the pieces feel apart, I bring the silent wreckage, my fractured, aching heart. I tried to fix it, Lord, I've tried to make the edges meet, but the cracks run ever deeper, and my failure feels complete. I lift my empty hands and I confess I've lost my way, and surrender every shattered dream to you and your healing sway. You are the binder of wounds, the healer of the pain. You make the dry ground blossom in the pouring of the rain. You collect every teardrop, you hear every silent cry. You are the God who mends us when our strength has run dry.
Eric.
So I'll trade my broken spirit for a garment of your praise, and worship you forever through the rest of all my days. The world will say that time will make the jagged edges smooth, but only your forgiveness has the power to soothe the bitter cold betrayal, the ache of what has been, the deep and hidden sorrow that lies festering within. And you take my heavy burden and every heavy restless thought, and remind me of the freedom that your sacrifice has bought. You are the binder of wounds, the healer of the pain. You make the dry ground blossom in the pouring of the rain. You collect every teardrop, hear every silent cry.
You are the God
who mends us with our strength as I'll trade my broken spirit for a garment of your praise, and worship you forever through the rest of all my days.
The story isn't over. Your redemption can be felt. Just let us know Lord. Your endless grace to me. I will not be ashamed. I will not be afraid.
For it's your perfect love
Let us
made me unafraid. You are the binder of wounds, the healer of my heart. You are the God of healing, and you've been here from the start.
the binder of wounds ng ating Lord. Hello, Lon and Maud.
Hello, lady girl. Hello, boy. Hi. Kamusta?
The day you came, a whispered prayer, a testament to
Hello.
grace, a love so pure and fragile, a light upon your face. And in my heart, a garden grew, a love I never knew, watching over you, my dearest, in everything you do.
Hello, Gina.
Sleepless nights and
How are
gentle
you?
cries, a holy sacred call. And every moment, big or small, I answered giving all. This love is patient, and this love is kind. It always hopes, it leaves no one behind. Always protects and trusts, persevering through a perfect, endless reflection of you. My child, my joy, I raised you up on the training of the Lord, and watched you walk the path you chose, with every step adored. And even as you've grown and gone to build a life anew, my heart swells with pride, a beautiful reward, a mirror of God's love for you.
The title of this song is The Mirror of God's Love.
I watch you now, a mother too. Only my young cell undersell. The tender care, the endless love, your children's greatest wealth. You built a home with kindness, a faithful, tender hand, a legacy of grace on this promised holy land. You are a testament to goodness, a blessing in my sight. My purpose found in watching you bathed in His perfect light. This love is patient, and this love is kind. It always hopes, it leaves no one behind. Always protects and trusts, persevering through a perfect, endless reflection of for you. This love is not a burden, it's a gift we share and see. The grace is freely given for you and me. So honor your father and mother as He commands above. And know your home is always sealed in this sacred love.
Salamat po, Koy. Anong request mo after ng kapagkanta? Kasi yung mga ginawa ko itong mga praise and worship song,
You'll
pag
always be
pinapakinggan ko
my
lang,
child,
nawawala ako sa sarili ko. Roser Pida.
no matter what you've known. You'll always have a home in my heart, my child.
Nawala tuloy. Napindot ko. Ayun. Ito pa. Last na lang. Undeserved love. Parang nainitan ako.
Before the world began, your love was set in place. You called me by your name and showed me saving grace and everlasting kindness. Reaching out to me, you drew me close with loving kindness for all eternity. While I was still a sinner and lost without a plea, you sent your only Son on a cross for me. No human love could measure, no heart could comprehend the selfless sacrifice you offered to the end. For God, you are love, and I will always know. You gave your only Son to save my weary soul. I know, and I rely on this unfailing grace to live inside your love and see you face to
Hello,
face.
Ricky. Hello, taga Cebu. Ako naman ay taga-Taguig. Hello, Yas.
I was dead in my transgressions, a slave to all my sin, but rich in mercy, you made me live again. You opened up my eyes to see your light so bright, and brought me from the darkness into your holy light. While I was still a sinner and lost without a plea, you sent your only Son on a cross for me. No human love can measure, no heart can comprehend the selfless sacrifice you offered me. For God, you are love, and I will always know. You gave your only Son to save my weary soul. I know, and I rely on this unfailing grace to live inside your love and see you face to face. It's an undeserved love, a gift I can't repay. It's the very heart of heaven shining on my way. From everlasting to everlasting, your love will never cease. It's the foundation of my life, my joy and perfect peace. For God, you are love, and I will always know. You gave your only Son to save my weary soul. I know and I on this unfailing grace to live inside your
Hello, Lord. Sporty Sis.
see you
Yeah.
face to face.
Undeserved love. Di ba maganda? Parang hindi ko deserve ang love ng Lord, pero lagi siyang nandyan sa akin. Hindi niya ako pinababayaan. Dati na pagka dinadalaw ako niya ng singing. Kahit marami akong kasalanan. Hello, Joe. So, may this one na praise and worship song. Pinapakinggan ko lang siya kapag medyo... And this one, last one, Until You Return. Sana magustuhan niyo po. Ginano ko naman siya sa Tagalog para mas siya. Until You Return.
The world won't see you for a while, your form won't be in sight. But in my heart I feel you near, the guiding burning light. You promised you would come to me, so I won't lose my way. Though you made me leave again, I'm waiting for that day. Just a little while, and I will see your face. My temporary sorrow will give way to perfect grace. You made me leave again, but left me not alone. Spirit lives within me until you bring me home. You went to build a place for me, a mansion in the sky, and you will come again, my Lord, and to wipe away each tear from my eye. Oh, come man, you had the power in your hands to lay down your own life. You rose again as you had said and ended all the strife. You came and went but left a peace that calms my weary soul. I know the journey's not in vain. You'll come and make me whole. Just a little while, just a little while. I will see your
Face
face.
again.
My temporary sorrow will give way to perfect grace. You made me leave again, left me
Luke
not
John
alone.
43.
Spirit lives within me until you bring me home. You went to build a place for me, a mansion in the sky. You will come again, my Lord, to wipe away each tear from my eye. My heart is aching with longing, a bittersweet pain. And knowing this goodbye is real to your love and rain. I'm not
Manuel.
waiting in the silence, but with a hopeful song, till the trumpet sounds and calls me where I truly belong. You made me leave again, but left me
John
not
14.
alone. Your spirit lives within me until you bring me home. You went to build a place for me, a mansion in the sky. You will come again, my Lord, to wipe away each tear from my eye. You come again. Oh, what a glorious day. Until then, I will pray. I'll lift my hands and worship until you return.
Ayan, the title of this song is Until You Return.
Until you
Kaya gumawa tayo
return.
ng mga small lyrics. Hello, Ethel. Yan po ang process natin. Lagi kong bilay. Hello, good evening, good morning, good afternoon, and good day. Happy Sunday, everyone. Until you return. Sana naumpisahan niyo po. Napakaganda. I made this song sa mga Bible verses. So, gagawin ko rin siya ng kanta. Yun na lang muna. Baka may request kayo. Kahit hindi na praise and worship song, nagpatugtog lang ako ng mga ginawa kong kanta. And then kanina kumanta rin ako ng The Goodness of God. May one of my favorite praise and worship song kasi hindi ako nakapag-church. So, ano ba? Ano bang gusto niyong kanta? Gusto niyo ba ng hiram sa Diyos? Hello, JB. Shout out.
Hiram sa Diyos ang aking buhay. Ikaw ako tanging handog lamang. Di ko nais na ako'y sila. Ngunit salamat dahil may buhay. Ligaya ko na ako'y silang bawat tao ay may noong nangay. Sino may pag-ibig, sino nagmamahal, kundi ang tao. Diyos ang pinagmula. Hello, Baby. And hello sa Hello.
Magandang gabi, happy Sunday po. worship song. Pwede rin naman mga old song. Pwede po kayo mag-request, guys. Ala, 10:30 na. Sabi ko hanggang 10:30 lang. Siguro hanggang 11. Baka gusto niyo pong Hello Rina, gusto niyo pong mag-request sa mga praise and worship song. Pwede po siyang patutugin. Walang kantahin. Pwede namang mga old songs. Ronnie Reyes.
Sino ako? Ligaya po na ako ay sina. Pagkat tao ay may roong dangal. Sino may pag-ibig? Sino nagmamahal? Kung di ang tao, Diyos ang pinagpalang.
Hello, Rita, Daisy. Hello, Jor. Or Jor Villarosa. Magandang gabi po. Baka may request po kayo. Hello, Gina. And Sir Emmanuel, anong request po? Mga praise and worship song, old song. Yung mga hindi ko nakita kanina. Sir Roger.
Di ako nagmamahal. Sino ako? Di ako nagmamahal.
Hello, Jor Villarosa. Shout out po sa pagbaliktad. Sir Yunsky. Good evening, everyone. Happy Sunday. Baby girl, hello.
Sino ako?
Ano pa? Baka may request kayong mga praise and worship song. Sa mata makikita. Nakita mo nga kanina na, iyak kita. Tapusin ko to. Gusto ko to.
Pag-ibig ang siyang bumuka sa ating puso at kaluluwa, ang siyang nagdulot sa ating buhay, liwanag sa dilim at pag-asa. Pag-ibig ang siyang pupulot natin, di mapapawi kailan pa man. Sa puso't diwa tayo'y isa lamang, kahit na tayo'y magkawalay. Pagkat ang Diyos natin, Diyos ng pag-ibig, magpahalan tayo't magtulungan. At kung tayo'y bigo, ay huwag limutin na may Diyos tayo nagmamahal. Sikapin sa ating pagtungo, ipabalita sa buong mundo. Pag-ibig ng Diyos na siyang sumakap sa bawat pusong mahal sa pagsuyo.
request nyo? Elizabeth Bacari.
Yes, habibi, magmahalan tayo't magtulungan. At kung tayo'y bigo, ay huwag limutin na may Diyos tayo nagmamahal. Diyos ang pag-ibig.
Ayan, happy Sunday. Ano, sa mata makikita. Ilong. Sinipon ako. Hello, Francel. Ano? At sige, sa mata makikita. Ilapit natin konti. Hindi ko siya makabot. Ayaw nyo ng praise and worship song. Hello, Rodolfo. Shoutout po. Happy Sunday, everyone. Pwede po kayo mag-request sa mga praise and worship song. Pwede rin po kayo mag-request sa mga old song, mga lumang bago. Hello, Len. Hello, Marlo. Tita.
Bakit pa ba ako ay tanungin? Kailangan pa ba sa'yo ay bigkasin?
Mark.
Na mahal kita at wala nang iba.
Ryle.
Masdan mo't makikita sa aking mga mata. Kailangan pa ba ako ay lumapit,
Donna.
at sabihin sa'yo ang naman ang titig na mahal kita at wala nang iba. Masdan mo't makikita sa aking mga mata. Di na kailangan sa'yo ay ang itinalahalin. Di na kailangan sa'yo ay bigkasin. Sa tuwing magtatama, Edward, ang ating paningin. Sa mata makikita ang ating damdamin.
Gusto ko kantahin ng Broken Vessel. Hello, maganda ka. Shoutout ko.
Na mahal kita.
Ala, nauna pala. Sa iba na kanta. Sa Hilor Moon.
Di na kailangan bigkasin. Di na kailangan nanay bigkasin. Meron sa tuwing magtatama ang ating paningin. Sa mata makikita ang aking damdamin. Tanungin, kailangan pa ba sa'yo ay bigkasin? Na mahal kita at wala nang iba. Masdan mo't makikita
Sa aking matang may aibag. Matang may aibag talaga. Hello, Ben. Kakapuyat, kaya matulog tayo ng 11. At nawala yung sakit ng sa gamot. Dinalawa ko na para lang may epekto. Halata ba yung aibag? Gusto ko tong broken vessel. May request pa kayo? Uugat na beso ko nilipat ko kasi. Candle. Ang naman ito. Diony. Yanara. Uugat siya. Irzo. Jano. All this pieces. Hala. Hindi ko kasi siya mabasa. Mahirap. Maliliit. Maghanap tayo ng malaking ano. Jano Vargas. You were the word at the beginning. One with God, the Lord Most High. Your hidden glory in creation, now revealed in you are Christ. What a beautiful name it is. What a beautiful name it is. The name of Jesus Christ, my Mr. Cool Guy. What a beautiful name it is. Nothing compared to this. What a beautiful name it is. The name of Jesus. Eunice didn't want heaven without us. Jesus, you brought heavens down. My sins was great, your love was greater. What could separate us now? What a beautiful name it is. What a beautiful name it is. The name of Jesus Christ, my King Lover Boy. Hello, Nels. Nothing compared to this. What a beautiful name it is. The name of Jesus. Name it is. The name of Jesus. Hello, Lina. Wala bang mga Tagalog na hello, June, Marza, and Irene. Oh. Ano magandang kanta? Sing? Wow. Hi. Hello, Kawai. Shout out. Malakas. Lazy dudes. Hindi na makaka-request. Ba't ganun? Ibrahim.
Sa nabi-nabi ng aking minahal, pananalian lamang at ilan lang nagtagal. Isa pa lamang ang binabalikan, alaala ng kahapon pinabayaan sa dinami-dami ng aking nakapiling. Kung sino-sino ang umibig sa akin, isa pa lamang ang inaasam-asam. Ang nakalipas, Sir Jasper, di maaaring balikan, Lawrence. At kahit iba na didiin, minamahal mo. Kung sino man ang siyang, Sir Jasper, may-ari ng iyong puso. Ang bawat pangalan, kalaro, kaibigan, isa pa lamang ang minahal ng ganito.
Sir Jasper, shout out. If you're level 7, ay level 11. Hala, may mga utak na pala ako sa mga level 10 at more. Sa weekend, yung pangako ko. Magre-recharge ko na ako. Pwede bang antayin yung service charge ko incentive para makapag-recharge ako. Yung mga level 5 to 10 and more ng mga sa Team Dorcas, paakyatin ko po.
Naasam-asam ang nakalipas, di maaring balikan. At kahit iba na ang minamahal mo, kung sino man ang siya, may-ari ng iyong puso. Ang bawat pangalan, salamat Sir Jasper, kalaro, kaibigan, isa pa lamang ang minahal ko ng ganito.
Sir Jasper, sa weekend lang. I-check ko muna yung mga sa Team Dorcas, ang mga anong level na. Para sabay-sabay na lang. Gemma Ventura! Shoutout po sa inyo. And Ken Federico.
Pangalan, kalaro, kaibigan, isa pa lamang ang minahal ko ng ganito. Isa pa lamang, isa pa lamang, isa pa lamang minahal ko ng ganito.
Ayan, para sa mga Team Dorcas, sa mga nag-a-attendance, level 5 and 10 and more, sa weekend po tayo magkita-kits sa mag-akyat. Akyat po kayo, ha? Titingnan ko muna yung mga, re-reviewin ko siguro bukas. Pag nasa PC lang kasi siya makikita kung anong level nyo eh. Para try ko lang kung makikita ko sa phone. Ano mga request nyo? Parang may naalala lang ako na lagi nagre-request nito. Bikoy, nandyan ka pa ba? Shy Boy, and Sir Jasper, anong request mo? May naalala lang ako na lagi nagre-request nito. Clark. Ayan. is dapat laging, safety and safe. Hello, Jalay! Sa buhay natin, mayroon isang mamahalin, sasabahin. Sa buhay natin, love kita, mayroon isang kukutangi sa lahat at iibigin ng tapat mong ngunit sa di sinasadya pagkakataon sabay at para bang ika'y nilalaro ng panahon ala ikalakay. Sir Junsi, thank you. And Bong, Sir Jasper, thank you so much. Shout out sa'yo. May pasok ka ba ng weekend? Bakit ba hindi ka nakilala na ako'y malaya pa at hindi ngayon ang puso ko may kapiling na? Bakit ba hindi ka nakilala na ako'y nag-iisa? Sino ang ibigin? Jalay, shout out and Alex, ikaw sana. Ayan, sa lagi nagre-request nito, para sa'yo to. Kung naaalala mo pa, kahit wala ka dyan, or nandyan ka man, nagmi-mirror. Crisanta Martinez, Mitch Kapawa, di mo na mapansin sa bawat araw na kasama mo siya. Kapiling ka niya siyan. Bawat sandali, punong-puno ng ligay at saya. Damdamin ay kakaiba siyan at sa di sinasadya pagkakataon at para bang ika'y nilalaro ng panahon. Sa Nyaski, bigla kayong nag-iakap, Gabriel. Mga labi nyo'y naglapat, ang inyong mga matay nagtatanong at nangangarap. Bakit ba hindi ka nakilala na ako'y malaya pa at hindi ngayon ang puso ko may kapiling na? Bakit ba hindi ka na, Rowena, lala na ako'y nag-iisa? Sino ang iibigin? Ikaw sana. Hello, Chong and Rowena Molina, shout out. Chong Shop Showcase, hello po. Magandang gabi, happy Sunday. Sa di at sa di sinasadyang pagkakataon at para bang kapause ika'y nilalaro ng panahon. Bigla kayong nag-iakap, mga labi nyo'y naglapat, ang inyong mga matay nagtatanong at nangangarap. Bakit ba hindi ka na Diyos, ikaw sana. Mina, anong request nyo? Baka may request kayo, pakicomment naman. Jelay! Shoutout po, and Rina. Wala kayong request? Ayaw nyo mag-request? Ala, 11:02. Kaya pa. Anong request nyo? Kay Sharon. Sister Lina Gamit, shoutout po. Bituing walang ningning. Gusto nyo ba yung bituing walang ningning? Ako yata yun eh. Bituing walang ningning. Thank you sa pag-connect. Sabrina Montante, hello po. And thank you, Usman. Sabrina. Ordy. Sir Ordy, hindi po ako magpapaakot na lang. Kasi sa ano lang eh. Peter Rocky and Azar Army. Kung minsan ang pangarap habang buhay ito hinahanap, bakit nga ba nakapagtataka pag ito ay nakamtan mo na? Bakit may kulang pa? Mga bituin, yalay aking narating. Salamat, ngunit langit ko pa rin ang iyong piling. Kapag tayong dalawa'y naging isa, kahit na ilang laksang bituin, di kayang pantayan ating higit. Yalay, alam ito, palutin mo ako ng hiwaga ng iyong pagmamahal. Hayaan matakpan ang kinang na di magtatagal. Mabuti pa kaya'y maging bituin walang kapalit nito'y walang pagkalaho mo. Pagtingin, itago mo ako sa lilim ng iyong pagmamahal. Limutin ang mapaglarong tinang nagtagumpay. Sa piling mo ngayon, ako'y bituing walang sa liwanag ng ating pag-ibig. Gelay, level 3 ka na, konti na lang. Salamat, Marlinas. Ating narating, ngunit langit ko pa rin ang iyong piling. Kapag tayo dalawa'y naging isa, kahit na ilang laksang bituin, di kayang pantayan ating higit. Hello, Susan. Hello, 13 million viewers in the house. O ako sa hiwaga ng iyong pagmamahal. Hayaang matakpan ang kinang na di magtatagal. Mabuti pa kaya'y maging bituin walang higit. Kung kapalit nito'y walang paglaho mo. Pagtingin, itago mo ako sa lilim ng iyong pagmamahal. Limutin pag-islap ng ating pag-ibig. Roberto, shout out. Thank you, Jella. Attorney Erwin and Jella, thank you so much. 16 million viewers in the house. Hello po. Ano ba request nyo? Josie and Dada, Kenneth. Sir Jules, thank you. Thank you guys naman nagtatap-tap. Check yung mga level nyo ha. Para yung mga ano tayo ng sa next sa weekend. Hello, Chris. Lian, Archer. Another song by Sharon Caneta. Sana'y wala ng wakas ang pag-ibig ay wagas na paos na paglalambing sa iyong piling ay ligaya kong walang kahambing. Kung di malimot ng tadhana, bigyang tuldok ang ating ligaya. Walang hangganay aangkin, pagkat walang katapusan kitang ibigin. Kahit na ilang tinig ay kaya kong tapakan, kung yan ang paraan upang landas mo'y masundan. Kahit ilang ulit ako'y iyong saktan, hindi kita maaaring iwanan. Kahit ilang awit ay aking aawitin, hanggang ang himig ko'y maging himig mo na rin. Kahit ilang dagat ang dapat tawirin, higit pa riyan ang aking gagawin. Sana'y wala ng wakas kapag hapdi ay lumipas. Ang mahalaga ngayon ay pag-asa, dala ng pag-ibig, saksi buong daigdig. Sir Elsie, kung di malimot ng tadhana, bigyang tuldok ang ating ligaya. Parched, walang hangganay hahamangin, pagkat walang katapusan kitang ibigin. Kahit na ilang tinig ay kaya kong tapakan, kung yan ang paraan upang landas mo'y masdan. Kahit ilang ulit ako'y iyong saktan, hindi kita maaaring iwanan. Kahit ilang awit ay aking aawitin, hanggang ang himig ko'y maging himig mo na rin. Kahit ilang dagat ang dapat tawirin, higit pa riyan ang aking gagawin. Di lamang pag-ibig ko, di lamang ang buhay ko ibibigay sa ngalan ng pag-ibig mo. Higit pa riyan aking mahal, ang alay ko. Hello, million viewers. 18 million talaga. Shoutout po. Good morning, good evening, good evening. Happy Sunday, everyone. Hello, up. Hello. Ba't inulit? Parang ayaw niya akong patigilin dun sa between walang dingding. Anong request nyo? Animals Planet, hello! Shout out! And 20 million viewers in the house of Reg, Billy, Love. Pwede bukas ko na lang kayo mahalin. Popularized by Lani. Kaya ko ba bang kumanta? Hala, wala na. Kahirap pala umibig sa di tamang panahon. Kung bakit ngayon ko lang natagpuan ang isang katulad mo. Sana noon pa kita nakilala. Sana noon wala ng puso ay malaya na magmahal. Bukas na lang kita mamahalin, sabay sa paglaya ng ating hindi na kaya. Hello, Yalay. Bukas na lang kita Daddy, kay hirap pala umibig sa di tamang panahon. Minsan talaga ganun, no? Wala sa timing. Kung bakit ngayon ko lang natagpuan ang isang katulad mo, Leonard. Sana noon pa kita nakilala. Sana noon pala ng puso ay malayamang. Sa Lunes na lang magmahal, Sir Elsie. Bukas na lang kita mamahalin, sabay sa paglaya ng ating ilaw ni ako pala si Reed. Bukas na lang kita di Coley. Bukas na lang kita. Bukas na lang kita. Bukas na lang. Hi. Hello, Phil. Bukas na lang. Ano ang request nyo? Wala naman kayong request. Hello, Charito.
Top hits
Shout
karaoke.
out. And 16 million viewers in the house of Reg. Sa mga Team Torca, shout out po sa inyo sa weekend. Yung mga level 5, more level 5. At sa iba pa na hindi ko nabigyan ng sa pangako ni host. Sa weekend tayo bukas ako mag-check. Ayan. Bakit pa umuuga na? Ihilo ko.
Hits Karaoke.
Ayan, You Are My Song, popularized by Regine Velasquez. Alapaos na yata ako. Ma'am, hello po. I'm Gabby Aman. Shock, Copy.
You are the song playing so softly in my heart. I reach for you. You seem so near, yet so far. I hope and I pray you'll be with me someday. I know down inside you are mine and I'm yours. Your love, Roberto. Or am I dreaming, William? How can I read? It's time I try to say goodbye. You were there, felt you look my way. I touch the sky. We can share tomorrow and forevermore. I'll be there to love you so. You are mine.
You are. Hello, Billy. Billy, may love ba yan? Bakit nawala? Billy Beloved?
I know for sure that we were meant to fall in love. I look in your eyes, I know what you're thinking of. I try not to say the words that must scare you away, 'cause I know down inside
R&B.
you are mine and I'm yours. Your love, there's no more dreaming. How can I, each time I try to say goodbye, you were there. You look my way, I touch the sky. We can share tomorrow and forevermore. I'll be there to love you so. You are my song. You are my song.
Hello, Jupal. And R&B, hello. MC Del Duazon. Magandang gabi, happy Sunday. Time check 11:20. May mga request po ba kayo? Wala kayong request? Bulol na si host, walang request. Nabulol na si Inday. Please. Chris Nunez. Strawberry. And I like grapes. Hindi makapag-isip. Ano request nyo? Gusto nyo bang sana maulit-muli, Larry? Or say that you love me? Or how did you know? Ayan, siya na nagpili. Ala, parang tumpak sa akin to ah. Tumpak na nga na Tagalog.
I recall when you said that you would never leave me. You told me more, so much more, like when the time you whispered in my ear. There was heaven in my heart. I remember when you said that you'd be here forever. Then you left without even saying
you're leaving, I was hurt, and it really won't be easy to forget yesterday. And I pray that you would stay, but then you gone, and now so far away. 8 minutes. Kapaos na. I wasn't prepared to face this kind of hurting from within. Maybe I just dream of you tonight, and deep into my dreams, you come and touch me once again. Joy, I just keep on dreaming till my heart is dead. Hello, gang. And then you left without even saying that you're leaving. I was hurt, and it really won't be easy to forget yesterday. And I pray that you would stay, but then you're gone, and oh, so far away. I was afraid this time would come. I wasn't prepared to face this kind of hurting from within. I just felt la 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 la. Maybe I just dream of you tonight, and up into my dreams. Chris Nunez, taga saan ka ba? Nunez kayo. Hello, alam mo ba Nunez din ako? Nunez. Hello, Dioscoro. And hello. Thank you sa pagpasok sa live. Thank you sa pag-stay, sa pagtapla, mag-share, pag-attendance. Thank you. Mr. Moon. Auntie Jo, hello po. Keep on dreaming till my heart. Yan naman talagang mata ko kasi talaga. Pag nag-filter kasi nilalakihan ko yung mata ko. Ngayon kasi hindi na ako nag-ano. Kaya mo na lang na ganyan yan. Ano request nyo? 25 minutes. 11:25 na. Ate Josh, shout out po. My heart will go on. Parang maganda to. Akra! Hello. Ako naman ay cabbage. Magandang gabi po sa inyo. And Cookie Zero, Sir Cookie! Ayaw ka talaga ng ano? Hello, Teresa. Every night in my dreams, I see you, I feel you. That is how I know you, the one. Far across the distance and spaces between us, you have come to show you the one. Dear one, wherever you are, I believe that the heart that's the one. Once for OFW Dubai, you open the door.
Love can touch us one time and last for a lifetime and never let go till we're gone, Albert. Love was when I love you one true time. I hold to in my life will always go on. Alex and Mike. Here, far, wherever you are, I believe that the hardest go on. Once more, you open the door, and you're hearing my heart, and my heart will go on and on. Magandang gabi, happy Sunday, everyone. Jack, Jack.
Naalala niyo ba yung pelikula na to, movie?
You're here. There's nothing I fear, and I know that my heart will go on. We'll stay forever this way. You are safe in my heart, and my heart will go on and on. Hello, June. Shout out and welcome in the house of Reds. Motivational quotes. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ayan. Happy Sunday! Since wala naman kayong kasi ako bukas.
Ala? Wow naman. And I have... Ala? Bakit ang tataas ng kanta?
No, I can't forget this evening or your face as you were leaving. But I guess that's just the way the story goes. You're always smile, but in your eyes, your sorrow show. Yes, it shows, Lila. Oh, 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 oh. No, I can't forget tomorrow when I think of all my sorrow, Jerry. When I had you there, but then I let you go. And now it's only fair to let you know what you know. I can't live, listen, if living is without you. I can't live, I can't give anymore. I can't live if living is without you. I can't give, I can't give anymore. Give for this evening or your face as you were living. But I guess that's just the way the story goes. You always smile, but in your eyes, your sorrow shows. Yes, it's true. Oh, 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 oh. I can't believe I'm living this without you. I can't live. I can't give anymore. I can't believe. Hello.
At taas si... Hello, boss. Baka bukas makasama. Hi, Mark! Big shoutout! Sir Dunsky. Ala, bulol na. Bulol na si host na ano na stretch yung tongue ko. Sa pagkanta ng mataas. Nabulol na, nabulol. Hello, Chris. Welcome back. Last song. It's all for you guys. Bulol na si host kasi na-stretch ang aking tongue. Kaya yun. Nabubulol na yan. The striker. Para sa'yo, sa inyo, sa lahat. Sa mga bagong pasok para sa'yo.
From this moment, life has begun. From this moment, you are the one right beside you. It's where I belong. From this moment,
Last song na to ha. Ayoko na nga. Pagkwentuhan na lang tayo. Nasobrahan ako sa ngiti. Sakit ang dito ko. Pati takbo ko na ano, na-stretch.
I give my hand to you with all my heart. So I can wait to live my life with you. I can wait to start. Kaya lang wala na. You and I will never be apart. My dreams came true because of you. From this moment, as long as I live, I will love you. I promise you this, there is nothing I wouldn't give. I give from this moment on. Wow.
Gone. Ay, nakita ko. Stretch na talaga yung ilam.
You're the reason I believe in love, and you're the answer to my prayer from up above. All we need is just the two of us.
Edgar. Hindi kasi ako talaga nakakapag-live and then nakakapag-live yung matagal.
From this moment, as long as I live, I will love you. I promise you this, there is nothing I wouldn't give
May pasok pa kasi si host bukas. Ang dami ko pang deadlines. Marami pong salamat, Sir Junski. At sa iba pa na dumadaan, gumagalaw naman yung aking. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone sa mga nag-attendance. Sir Robert. Thank you. Mag-ano lang, record lang ako ng content ko. Thank you. Bye-bye. God bless everyone. Ano ko ha, bilin ko. Small good deeds. Hi, Nettie! Shout out! Mag-end live na si Inday. Thank you so much. And shout out sa'yo. Ayan. Wala na. Masakit na lang. Thank you. Wow. Thank you so much. Tayo nakakapag-jamming. Thank you. Wow. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, Nettie. I miss you. Happy New Year. Sa ano na lang, dadaan-daan ako sa inyo. Pero pag nasa office, hindi talaga ako makaka-join. Thank you, Nettie. Thank you for the gift. God bless everyone. Ayun yung mga small deeds na bini ni host. Yun ang stairway to heaven natin. Kaya, wag po natin kakalimutan yan. Thank you, Nettie. Shout out po sa'yo. Sir Junsi, si Nettie, makipag-connect po. And sa iba pa na nandyan, thank you. Thank you, God bless everyone. I-record ko lang ulit yung ano ko ginawa kong kanta. Thank you, Daddy. Ikot-ikot ako pag may time, dadaanan ko kayo ni ano. Kayo, mga hindi ko napupuntahan. Thank you so much. And God bless everyone. Bye-bye. Good night. And happy Sunday, everyone. Bye-bye.